演示，就係話點樣去申報你個稅啊。今日咧，你可以用聊天功能咧，係度將你個問題提出嚟嚇。咁啊，我哋係會將即係有時間咧，係最尾咧同大家解答你哋嘅疑問嘅。今日我哋依家開始之前咧，我就想要將個麥轉俾Louis 從Immigration Rising 嚇嗰個組織。其實咧，佢係幫助咧嗰啲係想創業嘅人咧，提供一啲資源、信息俾佢哋嚇。今日我哋個組織咧，今日你都可以提供精神服務，即係你個職業發展，同埋其他啲信息，同埋啲資源俾大家。如果有任何問題咧，就可以聯絡我哋嚇，或者我仲會喺呢度。今日你可以喺聊天框裏邊提出呢個問題。好，咁希望大家今日可以學啲關於我哋今年要報稅嘅注意嘅事項噶啦。好多謝 Louis。今日我哋有 Rina 咧，佢係我哋嘅國稅局嚟嘅。今日咧，佢係屬於一個叫做國稅局嘅 Stakeholder Liaison 呢個部門嚇。就多謝大家今日嚟參加今日嘅會嘅 Rina。佢係 IRS 嘅工作人員係，咁佢都係一個叫做宣傳部門同埋聯絡部門嘅人員。咁作為一個利益相關人嘅嗰個聯絡人咧，今日我哋嘅即係我哋嘅嗰個報稅人咧，同埋嗰個小商業咧，我哋俾大家咧，我哋提供諮詢、教育同埋其他嘅信息咧，俾我哋。就俾個關於稅務方面咧，各種嘅主題，我哋都提供服務，提供嗰個教育嘅服務嚇。今日我哋差唔多就要即係4月15號之前就要申報所有嘅稅啦嚇。今日想同大家講下咧注意事項。今日有邊個要申報稅咧？或者係點樣分類嗰個工人咧？今日又仲有邊個需要申報咧？等等等等。就有好啲簡單嘅啲詞彙嚇，今日咧或者仲會同大家分享下咩嘢叫做即係總收入，同埋有咩嘢叫做利潤，咩嘢叫做虧損，點樣叫做淨收入等等等等嚇。好，今日請稍等，今日我可以將我下一個幻燈片調出嚟俾大家睇。OK， 好啦。邊個要申報稅呢？呢個係一個好重要嘅問題嘅。關於有一個人咧，佢要申報稅嘅時候咧，如果你係一個美國公民或者係一個美國嘅居民嚇，咁你需要即係話你點樣知道你一定要申報咧嚇？你要考慮到咧你個總收入或者你個申報狀態同埋你個年齡。今日咧，我哋就講俾你聽咧，點樣分個人點樣要申報稅，根據你個收入嚇，你可以見到，又係65歲以下同埋65歲以上嘅，而且咧都係根據你個申報狀態咧。今日你記唔記得咧？今日你又記得有一個規定嘅嗰個扣稅。咁呢啲係根據年齡，譬如講一個單身嘅65歲以下嘅，如果你係最少14,600蚊咧，你就應該要申報啦。如果你係65歲以上，你個總收入咧係超過16,550蚊咧，你就要申報。咁咧，你個月如果你係結咗婚同埋共同報稅咧，或者你係如果分開報稅咧，如果你結婚分開報稅咧，如果你係賺咗5蚊，你都要報稅。如果你係戶主咧，你係65歲以下就係 21,900，咁啊65歲以上咧就係23,850。咁如果你係符合資格嘅美皇嘅配偶咧，就65歲以下29,200，65歲以上咧30,750。咁我哋可以見到，我哋分開年齡，你要見到你個收入係到達呢個收入線咧，你就需要係申報稅噶啦嚇。咁啊咧，有啲個人咧，佢係冇達到呢個收入嘅要求嘅，但係你可能有個工作，你係半工或者零工或者零零散散工，咁啊你有咧嗰個聯邦法律咧，佢扣咗你個稅，扣你個稅，雖然你係冇達到呢個收入嘅申報收入線咧。咁但係你報個稅咧，你係我哋都係，或者即係話，如果你嘅薪資或者你社會安全或者其他收入比預扣嘅所得稅咧，咁啊你支付咗本年度嘅預估嘅稅款咧，或者你舊年多付嘅任何預估嘅稅款咧，係被用於本年度嘅稅款中你符合所得稅嘅抵減嘅資格咧。咁啊你就必須要去申報噶啦吓。咁啊，你係有一個叫做所得稅嘅抵減吓。咁啊，你係有一個。我哋要叫做 income credit 吓，雖然你可能冇達到嗰個收入嘅嗰個標準線，但係你係有俾咗稅，所以你係有所得稅嘅抵減吓。咁啊，你仲必須要填呢一份呢週嘅嗰個報稅表啊，咁啊你要填寫一份嗰個報稅表吓。
Now I want to kind of switch over a little bit.
今日咧，我就想要同大家就係分享一下嗰啲叫做商業嚇。咁你要睇下你係唔同嘅，即係你個即係你個商業結構啦，或者係你個性質啦，或者係你係個人嘅商業啦，或者係夥伴關係啦，或者係一個大公司啦等等。咁我哋都有唔同嘅嗰個稅嘅。咁啊，通常一般嚟講咧，我哋就係有收入稅啦，叫做預估稅啦，同埋自僱稅嘅吓，就估算個稅款吓。咁啊，呢個就係咧，首先我會講，即係講啲頭4個吓，所有嘅生意咧。除咗嗰個夥伴關係咧，佢哋每一年都要去申報下每一年嘅稅。咁啊咧，佢要報一個叫做 information return 吓，咁啊就叫做咁啊你佢要報一份就填一份表先。咁啊睇下你係邊一種嘅商議咧，咁啊有唔同嘅表格。咁啊，我哋又睇下你個，如果你係 IRS 嘅 .gov 嘅網站咧，咁啊佢會講俾你聽邊一種，你係邊一種生意吓，咁啊你可以撳叫做 business structure， 叫做你個商業嘅架構，咁你先知道吓。咁啊，你就知道咧，你係要所需嘅嗰個表格吓。咁啊，我哋都知道，咁啊，聯邦嘅收入稅咧，都係你賺咗收入你就俾稅。咁啊，係呢一年當中咧，你有收入你就要俾稅。今日咧，我係一個國稅局嘅嗰個僱員。今日我個僱主咧，每一個月咧就俾我人工啦。咁喺呢個人工咧，咁啊佢就已經會喺裏邊扣咗嗰個 Medicare 啊、社會安全啊各種稅已經扣咗噶啦吓。咁啊有啲人咧可能就唔知道，或者咧佢喺平時嘅收入咧係冇嗰啲聯邦啊嗰啲稅啊或者啲嘢咧全部已經扣咗噶啦吓。今日之後咧我哋再會同大家講下咩叫做估算稅款吓。如果係一個人啦，咁啊佢哋嘅僱主咧，咁啊如果你覺得你個稅交得唔夠咧，你係可以有機會去支付估算稅款嘅吓。 咁啊，仲有一個係有自雇稅嚇。呢個係一個社會安全同埋 Medicare 嘅嗰個稅，呢個係即係自雇人員。如果你係自雇人員咧，你就係要負擔，你就係要自己有責任去俾呢個社會安全嘅同埋 Medicare 㗎嚇。咁啊，你嘅自雇稅呢？咁啊咧，咁啊你就係等於係自己俾錢俾嗰個社會安全學，因為佢會就係包括你嘅退休㗎，同埋你個殘障嘅基金啊，或者係你係唔可以工作嘅時候俾你嗰個殘障嘅補助。咁啊，如果你有一個如果你係有自己有賺錢，咁啊咧你個淨收入係超過400蚊咧，咁啊你就係要俾自雇稅噶啦吓。如果咧你係有任何個人咧，咁啊你就有自己俾嗰個，你係個僱主嘅話咧，你就要俾呢個僱員稅吓，咁啊你就要扣除佢哋個Medicare，佢哋個 Social Security 吓，咁啊你又係，咁你每一年都要填一個佢咪有一個叫做I-40一個表格吓，同埋每一個季度你都係要報。然後呢，現在OK，咁啊，等陣吓，講到estimated，咁我哋講下估算嘅稅款吓，即係話咧，你係通過賺取或者收到收入個當年咧，就透過預扣稅或者係估算稅咧嚟繳稅嘅。如果從你嘅人工或者退休金額扣嘅所得稅金額唔足咧，咁啊就會收到今日我哋都要提供啲信息咧，係叫做預扣稅同埋估算稅款吓，有咁樣嘅，你自己可以計下。今日咧，如果你係自僱咧，你就剛剛講過咧，你係就通常咧必須繳付咧估算嘅嗰個稅款。咁啊，如果你係個人嘅，或者伙伴嘅，或者係自僱人員咧，你都係要繳呢啲，即係獨資經營嘅合夥，即係伙伴關係嘅企業 S 型嘅企業，同埋有限公司股東在內嘅個人咧，都係要去申報納稅個時候，如果你預期要繳納1000蚊或以上嘅稅金啦吓。如果你係收到人工嘅話咧吓，咁啊你可能有額外嘅收入咧吓。咁啊咧，咁啊咧我哋即係話，如果你嘅收入係就係人工，但係你可以要求僱主從你個人工中預扣更加多嘅稅咧，就避免繳個估算稅款咧。咁啊你要重新填一份 W4 俾個僱主就可以啦吓。今日表格 W4 有一行咧，可以叫你填入僱主幫你扣下嘅額外嘅稅額。今日咧，如果你係收到一份嘅薪資嘅話咧，預扣稅估算咧，就會幫助你咧確保從你嘅人工裏邊扣適量嘅稅額。今日咧，如果係獨資經營嘅業主、合夥企業或者小型企業股份嘅有限公司嘅股東在內嘅個人咧，一般係用一個叫1040ES 嘅表格嚟估算稅款。非稅法定義嘅居民咧，使用表格1040ES 嘅嚟計算。呢個表格都係英文嘅吓。今日咧，我哋咧第一次交稅咧就係4月15號吓。咁啊，仲有第二次。OK，如果係 如果係一年四季俾嘅咧，就6月同埋9月份嚇。如果你係覺得冇俾夠稅嘅話咧，或者你有時係冇嗰個資金周轉咧，你唔可以俾到呢個估算稅款咧。就算你唔可以係。即係話呢個分呢個4個繳付期間啦，每個時期都有一個具體嘅付款到期日啊嘛。咁啊，如果你係每一個付款期嘅到期日之前冇支付足夠嘅稅款咧，即使你係申報所得稅時應得到退款咧，你都可以收到罰款嘅嚇。咁我如果你係可以俾啲，你都可以俾嚇。就算你唔學，咁啊到最尾咧，你係要俾一大筆錢出嚟㗎嚇。如果你平時按照4個嗰個繳付期間㗎嚇。咁啊，其中另外一個我仲想講嘅咧就係。仲有一個咧，就係有人就話咩嘢叫做我哋嘅僱員，同埋嗰個叫做個人，即係話咩嘢叫做嗰啲獨立承包商咧，同埋你嘅係咩叫做僱員咧？咁樣我哋有個工人區分嘅，即係話。唔係話一刀切啊，即係話有。咁啊，你請個人咧，可以係獨立承包商或者係僱員。咁啊，你點會知道咧？咁啊，係聯邦嗰個稅法上邊咧。咁啊，你就係呢個就係會影響到你咧點樣俾嗰個即係嗰個。聯邦稅即係 Social Security， 即係個你個社會安全嘅嚇。咁啊，如果你係獨立承包商咧，你就係有一個僱主咁樣咧，要俾 Medicare， 即係社會安全等等。如果你係一個商業嘅話咧，唔會負責任俾獨立承包商俾佢哋選。咁咧，所以我哋係有法律係會講俾你聽咧，你係獨立承包商咧，或者係你係一個僱員嚇。OK 咧，咁啊你可以見到呢度嚇，呢個就係解釋咩嘢叫做獨立承包商嚇。譬如講醫生、牙醫、獸醫、律師、會計師、速遞員等等等等，佢哋從事咧獨立嘅交易嚇。咁啊咧生意或者專業咧，係會廣大嘅公眾提供服務。咁啊呢啲人咧，有啲係叫做獨立嘅承包人。咁啊，然後咧，呢啲人咧是否獨立人咧，或獨立承包人或者員工咧，要視每一列中嘅事實而定嘅。一般就係如果佢哋接受服務嘅人咧，只係有權控制或者指導工作嘅結果，而唔使要做啲乜嘢，以及如何做咧。咁啊，提供服務嘅人咧係一位獨立承包商嚇。咁啊，如果你係獨立承包商咧，咁你就係自己僱自己噶啦嚇，僱用自己，咁啊你就必須繳納自僱稅嘅嚇。咁啊咧我點樣你先會知道咧嗰個商業同埋呢個工人咧，佢係有幾個唔同嘅方面。如果你係即係如果你執行個服務可以被僱主控制，要做乜嘢，以及要點樣去做，你就唔係一個獨立嘅承包人嚇。即使你係賦予行動自由，咁啊係適用即係僱主是否有合法嘅權力嚟控制服務應當如何執行嘅細節。咁啊，如果僱主同埋僱員嘅關係存在，咁啊你就唔係一個獨立嘅承包商，咁啊你就唔需要繳納自僱稅嚇。咁啊再係睇下佢哋點樣個控制，行為控制、財務控制同埋雙方關係嘅類型。 咁啊，行為控制咧，就係話呢個商業咧係是否有權利去控制你做嘅嘢。譬如講，佢叫呢個工人做乜嘢，呢個商業係點樣呢個工人去做呢個工作。今日咧，財務控制咧。咁啊咧就係都係嗰個商業去控制嘅。咁啊要睇下有邊個係提供呢個設備同埋工具去做呢個工作。咁啊之後咧仲有雙方關係嘅類型，有冇書面嘅嗰個即係合同，有冇即係話有冇？即係有冇點啊帶薪休假、帶薪病假等等等等嗰啲，然後我哋依家一樣一樣嚟睇下。我首先咧係行為嗰個控制。我哋個行為控制咧就係話，你有一個即係你可以指導同埋控制一個工人咧去做佢個工作。譬如講咧，即係話呢個僱員佢俾人僱翻嚟嘅時候咧，就話你幾時要去做，同埋去邊度做，有冇提供工具同埋設備，有冇提供所需要嘅材料同埋服務，同埋你控制嗰個工作，同埋你有培訓呢個工人。咁我可唔可以係啊？就係啱啱就係話嗰個僱主係咪是否真係控制你啱啱講過所有方面？甚至乎係包括你可唔可以控制呢個呢個員工可唔可以請佢個幫手等等？一般嚟講咧，如果你係有呢個權力去控制嘅，點樣去做咁樣嘅話咧，咁啊嗰個人咧就係你個僱員噶啦。咁啊呢個都係一啲你要問自己個好啲嘅問題。如果你係講俾呢個工人話幾時要嚟，做乜嘢，喺邊度，用乜嘢工具，呢個就係等於係行為上面嘅控制。咁啊嗰個人咧就係你個僱員噶啦。咁我哋睇到行為控制嘅時候咧，其中一啲因素咧，咁啊咧就要睇下你有幾大個程度嘅指引，同埋咧俾個指引有幾有深度嚇，幾時係做呢個工，喺邊度做呢個工等等。
telling them what they need to do, how to do it, and when to do it. So just be careful of that. And here's an example that I thought was good.
咁啊，呢一個有個例子咧，我想舉出嚟就係。
Does the beautician have to work a schedule set by the business, or can the beautician create their own?
係咪一個真嘅美容師係咪可以自己有自己安排自己嘅時間？
When to show up, how to show up, what services they'll provide, and things of that nature. Then
佢要知道幾時去一個地喺邊度做，佢應該做乜嘢，咁啊佢就係一個僱員噶啦。係一個咧，我哋就要講到嗰係咧財務個控制下。財務控制咧，就去問自己邊個係直接指引呢個所有商業方面經濟方面。
If the answer is yes,
如果個回答係就係僱主咧，就係有直接嘅控制。 咁啊，你譬如講呢個僱員係點樣係攞到錢，攞幾多錢，有啲支出是否可以報銷，等等等等，呢啲就係屬於咧，行政上邊嘅控制啦，啊，唔係嗰個財務上邊嘅控制。咁咧，如果咧獨立承包商嘅話咧，咁啊佢哋會提供服務咧，咁啊咧佢可能即係佢哋自己有嗰個財務方面嘅投入。咁啊，佢哋都係有從就係自己撳銀包出嚟嘅嗰啲商業方面嘅支出。咁啊，我個僱主 IRS 咧，佢係非牟利機構咧。
Or basically reimburse, have wages. They facilitate what an employee is doing. That's an employer, but an independent contractor basically.
咁啊咧，我哋獨立承包商咧，就佢哋自己工作，但係自僱，佢買佢哋自己嘅設備、自己嘅工具。
They basically have financial control.
咁啊，佢哋有自己嘅財務控制。咁啊咧，佢哋可以自己睇下佢哋嘅收入、利潤同埋佢哋嘅損失。So yeah, most of the time, an independent contractor. 咁好多時候嘅獨立承包商咧，
an employee will occasionally have reimbursed expenses. Next, we're going to talk about relationship with worker.
咁樣下一個我哋就會
if you provide employee benefits.
咁樣就睇下呢個你個僱主同埋工人之間嘅嗰個關係。譬如講，如果呢個僱主佢提供健康保險、退休計劃同埋帶薪嘅病假同埋假期嘅話咧，咁啊呢個就係僱主啦嚇。咁啊咧就係一個僱主同埋僱員嘅關係，而唔係獨立承包商噶啦嚇。
Include such things as written contracts, employee benefits, performing similar tasks for others, advertising. But generally speaking,
咁啊，通常嚟講咧，一個嗰個工作人員咧，佢係會即係嗰個僱員先係會從僱主嗰度咧攞到健康保險、退休計劃等等嚇。
Now, determining the worker status for a
咁樣咧，
business
睇下我
owner,
哋嘅工人嘅佢哋個係乜嘢個狀態咧，就係話佢哋係要簽一個合同。其實咧，就算你有簽一個合同咧，你都唔一定係一個獨立承包商啊。咁啊，你要睇到我哋啱啱講到嗰啲控制啊，同埋佢哋關係啊等等，咁啊你先可以確定佢係一個獨立承包商或者係你個僱員嘅。
As an independent contractor，
如果你係將呢個僱員咧，將佢唔小心整錯咗咧，咁啊你將佢哋變成個獨立承包商嘅話咧，咁啊咧你係可能分分鐘要負責佢哋嘅即係失業嗰方面嘅福利嘅。如果你係唔知道點樣去確定呢個工人嘅狀態嘅話咧，咁啊 IRS 可以幫助你啊，即係國稅局可以幫助你㗎。
And the IRS may be able to assist you。
咁啊，你係一個 SSS8 個表格咧，今日我哋都可能係可以幫助你去分類你個幫你個工人分類嘅嚇，係叫做 SS1-8 嚇。700個8。咁啊，你又睇到你個即係你個公司嘅名啦，呢個工人嘅名。咁啊，即係你可以睇到呢個表格咧，你就咁啊，我哋可以幫你去確定。 係一個好簡單嘅表格。
And again, you can find more information about that form
今
on
日你可以
our
收到更加多嘅
website.
信息㗎啦嚇。
Now, one of the other things that I wanted to
另外一個我想
discuss
同你講
was
討論
gross
嘅咧，
income.
就係呢個
Gross
總
income
收入。
There's various forms of gross income. It's form of money, goods, property, services,
啱
and
啱就
bartering.
咁啊，我哋啱啱講到咧，我哋嘅總收入包括工資、鼓勵、資本利得、收入、退休分配以及其他嘅收入。咁啊，你可以要響國稅局去報稅㗎嚇。
For any services you've provided, then whether you receive a W-2, a Form
係咪你是否有
1099,
W2 或者1099？
tip income that's not
都係
reported,
睇下。
that is actual income that should be reported to the
其實
Internal
好多人，
Revenue
譬如
Service.
講有餐館做
Not
嘢，
only do
佢
you
攞到個小
receive
費咧，佢係
earned
冇報
income
稅嘅
based
嚇。
again
但係
for
嗰個
provided
其實根據
services.
國
You've
稅局
earned
嘅
it, you
規
did
定咧，
something to get
你
it.
係
You
要
also
報
receive
稅嘅嚇。
unearned income, which is also taxable, such as interest and dividends, any earnings
或
that
者
you
你
have
係
other
有
forms of
即係你個
income that
銀
you
行
receive,
咧，你攞到嘅利息
monies held
嗰
in
啲都係
cash,
都
that
係可
is
以要
a
報
reportable
稅嘅嚇。
income,
呢啲都
as
係應
well
該要
as
報稅嘅。其
capital
實講，
gains, distributions, cryptocurrency, that is
甚至乎
income,
嗰
and you can
個
have gains
crypto
from
啊 cryptocurrency 意
those
思即係
things
嗰
as well.
個
In
依家
addition
叫做
to
電子
any
幣啊嚇，
taxable
嗰啲
Social
都係
Security
應
benefits,
該係要報稅
pensions,
嘅。
and annuities. So I thought it was important that I basically spent a little time here because
所以咧，我都覺
not
得好
only am I
重要嘅，
covering
要
who
用啲
must
時
file
間講俾你哋聽
based
下，
on the
邊個需
threshold
要
that we
申
have,
報稅，
but
甚
I
至乎
wanted to
係
point
乜
out
嘢
some of
收
the
入要報
forms
稅，都
of
係好重要
sources
㗎
of
嚇。有
income
包
or
括
monies
錢
that we
啦、
receive.
貨物
One of the
啦、
things that I mentioned here
物
is not
業
alcohol
啦
here,，it's
甚至
bartering.
乎啲服務
Bartering is
嚇，
basically, it's not an exchange of money, but it's an
有
exchange
好
of
多啲資
services
本利得都係嚇。
from one individual to another. For example,
譬如
I
嗰個
am
服
a
務咧，
hairstylist.
譬如講我係一
You
個
have a business where
理
you
髮
provide
師，
piano lessons.
或者你係教
I
嗰
will do
個，
your
你係
hair
教鋼琴
in
師。
exchange
咁啊咧，我
for
係幫你
piano
飛
lessons.
髮咁啊，
Well,
但
what's
係
the
你要教我
value
彈
of
鋼
that
琴。咁啊，呢個
hair
價值係咩嘢咧？呢
style
個
that you're giving me? So if it's 175
譬如講係
hours,
175
then
蚊
you
嘅話
both
咧，
must report
咁啊，你哋
175
兩個都要報
There's no
175
exchange
萬。
of
呢
money
個唔係一個，即
from a
係雖然咧，
monetary
你係
standpoint,
冇
but
做
there's
財
an
務
exchange
上
of
邊嘅
services,
交
and those
換咧，
services have
但係
value.
你有服
So
務
I thought
上
it was
邊嘅
important
交
that I
換。
share bartering with you as well. Now, expenses.
咁啊，依家
As
咧，我哋
a
講
business
到
owner,
支出，
you
作為一
will
個
have
業，
expenses.
即係一個商業嘅業
IRC
主，你係有業務嘅開
162
支
of
嘅
the Internal
嚇。
Revenue Code basically says any expenses that are considered ordinary and
任何
necessary
咧
for you
一
to conduct
般
your business
同埋
are
必
deductible.
要嘅業務開支咧，
To
都
be
係可以
deductible, a
扣
business
除
must
嘅
be
嚇。
both ordinary and necessary.
咁啊，係一
An
定要係一
ordinary
般
expense
一
is
般
one that
嘅
is
同埋
common
必
and
要嘅
accepted in
開
your
支嚇。
industry. A necessary one is an expense that is helpful and
即係咩
appropriate
叫做
for
一
your
般
trade
嘅？
or
就係話
business.
你嘅
An
你
expense
個
expense does
行
not
咧
have to be
就
indispensable to be considered
就
necessary.
大家都係覺得
Okay.
係正常嘅，係
And
要
I
咁樣嘅
encourage you
支
all
出。
to look at
咁啊，一個
IRS
必要嘅
publication
支出咧，就係話
535.
你可以幫到你啦，係適當
If
嘅，
you
就係你做
basically
生意嗰
have
度係。
an expense that is
今
partially
日咧，
business
如
and
果你
partially
係
personal,
有一啲
you
開
don't
支
get to
係
deduct
一
the
啲
whole
商
expense. You
業、一
deduct the
啲
portion
個
that
人，
relates
咁啊，
to
你只
business.
唔可以
Okay.
扣除全
So
部嘅嚇，
basically, that will
只可以
direct
扣
you
除嗰一部分係
basically
俾
say,
商
okay,
業
if I
嘅
use
嚇。
my, let's use something we're all familiar with, a cell phone.
譬如
We
講，我
all
用
have a
手
cell
機，
phone,
我哋大家
but
都有
let's
手
say
機，
I may use the cell phone
但係我用我個手機咧，
10% or
譬
15%
如
of
講
the time,
10%到
then that is
15% 嘅 時
something that
間
you can
咧，
deduct of the
就
cost. You
係
can,
俾生
you
意。
know,
咁啊，
you just
呢個
have to
其
explain to
中呢
IRS
個，
how you
你
derive
今
the
日你要
cost.
係同國
And
稅
you can
局
take
解釋
15%
你係
of
點
that
樣計出呢
total
個
for
10%同
your
15% 嘅嚇。
cell phone bill. Okay. You have to basically let us know, but if it's
你
an
需要讓我
ordinary
哋
and
知道
necessary
係
expense
乜
that
嘢
you
叫
need
做
to
一
carry on your
般
business,
或者係必
then
要嘅
that
商
is
業開支，
is a
呢個都
deductible
可以，
expense.
呢個係可以扣除嘅嚇。
These are just some of the
呢
expenses
啲
that I
係
wanted
其中一
to
啲啊，
discuss also.
嗰
There's
啲
always car
商
and
業嘅
truck
支出嚇，
expenses for
譬
those
如講有
individuals
車
who may
啦，
do
有卡
Uber
車啦，或者你做
or
Uber
the
啊，
other
或者送
delivery
貨啊
or
嗰啲
use of
等等
car in your
嚇，
in
或
your
者你
business.
係
We
做
are
商業
able
嘅
to
時一定
take
係用
car
車
and
咧，
truck
你係
expenses.
可以用
There's a
嗰啲
couple of
咧，
different methods that you can do for car and truck
你可以
expenses.
嚟
We take the
扣除
standard
㗎，
mileage, which is the
你可以
standard
用
mileage
叫做
multiplied
標
by the number
準
of
嚇
business miles,
嗰
or
個里
you can
數，
take the actual mileage,
或
which
者
is
你可
based
以用
on the actual expenses, which
真
includes
即係佢哋實
car
際用
payment,
嘅嗰個里
registration,
數，
gas,
加士啊，
repairs, etc.
個車登
as
記
it
啊、
relates to
修
operating your
理啊
business. Now, if
等
you have
等，
a
都係
vehicle
同
that's
你運作你嘅
100%
商業
provision,
有關嘅
then
都可
it's
以。
100% of the deduction for those expenses. However, if you use that vehicle for both business and personal, then it is your responsibility to maintain a log to show us
今日咧，
how many total
仲
miles
有
is on that vehicle,
譬如
how
講咧，我
many
哋
were
係嗰個
commute,
車
and
度
how
咧有
many were
幾多個
business.
里數，
If
因為
we
你有幾多
establish
部
that
車，
that vehicle is used 40% for
停車
business,
費或者
then we
過
would
橋
be
費都
entitled
可
to
以計。
40% of those actual expenses for the vehicle. Parking fees and tolls are
今
allowable
日
for
咧，
any method, either standard deduction or
有兩
the
種方法都
actual
可以，
expense.
標準嘅或者實際用
Depreciation,
嘅嚇，
basically,
或
if
者
the
係
asset
嗰
has a life
個
of more than a year, there you are
你
entitled to depreciation.
同
You
埋
can also on
同
yes,
埋折舊嘅都可以嚇，
legal
譬
and
如講有
professional
啲設
fees,
備啊、嗰啲工
employee
具啊
pay.
可以
If
折
you have
舊都可以
employees,
嚇。
those
咁樣咧，
are
或者咧，你係
expenses as
有
well.
法
In
律
addition to
方面啦，
insurance,
或者
rent,
專業
and
服
interest
務嘅
expense.
嗰啲費用，你都可以係扣除
A
㗎嚇。
question was
咁
basically
問題咧就
how
問，
much should one how much should I pay in taxes?
今日有幾
That
多係
question
俾
is
呢個稅嘅
basically
啦？呢個問
something
題就
that
係
has to do with the business, either the
要同呢個
success
商
of
業
the
有
business.
關嘅，你個
Basically,
商業
you
做得
see
幾
before
成
me
功。
on the screen is a Schedule C. I just get a
今日
sneak
你可以睇到咧，係一個
shot of it
Schedule
basically.
C 係叫做
But
業
part
務
one is
嗰
going
個
to have the
虧損
income.
同埋
Part two
收
will
益嘅嗰
reflect
個
the
表格。
expenses, right?
第二部分咧就
So
係你個支出嚇，
when
第一
we
部分你嘅
when
收
we're
入。
talking about how
今
much
日我
should I
哋可以
pay
見
in
到咧，我應該
taxes,
俾幾
that
多
all
稅咧？
depends
今
on
日就要睇下
how
你
much you
咧，
receive
你
in
有收
gross
到
income.
幾
We talk
多
about
總收
income.
入
We
嚇？
basically look at all the gross receipts
我
that
有
you
睇到你
receive in your
所
business.
總收入嚇。
And then we have to say, okay,
咁我哋都
what
可以
else did
講
I
咧。
do in my business? Did
咁我
I
其
rent
我個
a
商業仲
equipment?
有
Did I rent
我有
another
冇
asset
租
that I
設備
have?
啊？
That's what we call other income.
我
So
有
you
冇
have profit from the business, and you may
即
have
係話
other
你
little
就
side things
商
that
業
you
嘅
do
收
that's
入嚇？
related to that business. I'm speaking specifically about this business. You may have other income.
咁啊，如果
So
你
then
有
you
其
take
他
your
嘅收入
gross
嘅話咧，
plus
咁啊你
any
又
other
用加
income
埋
you
所
have
有
or may not
嘅
have
總
to
收入
get
嚇。
your gross income.
咁啊佢叫做
Now,
gross income。
when we look at deriving at our net,
咁
what
啊，你又要計
expenses
算我
did
哋個
I
淨利
incur
潤咧。
in my
咁啊，
business
你可以
that
睇
were
到我喺做
ordinary
呢
or
個商業嘅
necessary?
時候咧，咩叫做
You
一般
basically
同埋必
offset
要
that
嘅
gross
商業
income
支
by
出。
those total
咁啊，我
business
哋就用
expenses.
總收入
Some individuals
減
may have
埋
business
我
uses
哋
at
嘅
home.
所有嘅支出，
I can't think of the form right now, but I'll
先
think
可
of it real
以
quick.
就
Business
計
use
出
at home.
嚟咧，
If you have business
叫
use
做
at
一
the home,
個
that is
淨利
something
潤或
else
者
that
淨
reduces your net
虧
income,
損嘅。
your gross income. Once you go through the gross income and you deduct your total expenses and net, if you have net, gross income,
所
total
以你可以
expenses,
睇到嚇，
and
我
then if
哋
you have
我哋
business
有
use
個
at home,
總利潤加
those
埋
are
其
all the
他嘅
things
收
that
入
will
等於
reduce
總
your
收入減
income.
埋
So
總
when
支
the
出，
question is asked, how
就
much must
係
I
咧
pay in
我
taxes?
就減
That
埋
all
咧我哋嘅
depends
商
on the
業
revenue that you earn
用嘅嗰啲
less
業務
any
嘅支出、
ordinary
業務嘅
necessary
支出咧，
expenses.
咁啊你
That's
就
going to
等
give
於
you a
你個
net profit
淨利
or
潤
it's
或
going
者
to give you a
淨
net
虧
loss.
損嘅嚇。
So if you receive, as an example, $100,000 in
如
income,
果你收到10萬
you
10萬
basically
蚊
had
收入，
expenses of
咁啊你有支出咧
$65,000.
要65000
You have
蚊嘅
a
支出，
net
咁啊你
profit
有
of
一個淨利
$35,000.
潤咧就係
So you would have to
35000
pay
蚊，
taxes on that. And
咁啊你就
I'm
個
just using
35000
your
蚊咧，你
business
係要
strictly
用
as an
嚟俾
example.
稅㗎嚇。
So you have to pay taxes on that.
咁啊，你喺嗰
So
度要俾
there
稅
isn't a
㗎嚇。
set amount of taxes that anyone has to pay.
即係話
It's
我哋係冇
different
一個
for
定出嚟
individuals
嘅，你
who
一定要俾
even
幾
are
多稅，
wage earners.
但係你係要
My
跟
income may be
到
different
根
from
據
someone
你
else.
計
There
算
may
出
be
嚟
other
嘅
standard
淨利潤或
deductions
者
that I
淨
may
虧
have
損
that
嚟
you
報
may not
稅嘅
have.
嚇。
So no one really pays the same amount of tax. It depends on the income that you have, the deductions that you have. For
咁啊，
business, it depends on how
咁啊都
much
係
income
睇
you
下
make,
你有幾
less
多
any
收
of
入，
the expenses that
你
you
有
have.
咁啊減埋
And then
你
you
嘅
can
嗰
also
啲
look at
支
the
出，
Schedule C,
咁啊你
which
剩
kind of
翻嚟
has
嗰啲
more
錢咧，嗰
instructions
啲 Schedule C 上邊咧有
that you
更
can
加
look at.
詳
But I
細嘅
want you
說
to
明，
know that
你
there
計
is
出嚟
not
嘅
a
嗰啲
set
咧，
amount of
先係
tax
要俾幾
that
多
anyone
稅㗎
pays. We
嚇。
all pay different taxes because our income is different. Okay. I guess that kind of concludes it.
好，今日
These
咧，其實我哋
publications, if
等
you
於
want,
咧就
you
係
can
講
jot them
完啦。
down.
咁
I
啊，呢
think
啲
all
咧你可以寫低
1779
下，譬
for
如講你一
independent
我哋
contractor
我
versus
哋即
employee.
係
Publication 15A,
大
Employer
唔係
Supplement
就係我
Tax
哋
Guide,
IRS
SSH,
咧，我哋國稅局咧有啲
especially
信息可以俾提
Publication
供俾大
334,
家㗎
Small
嚇。
Guide for Business
咁啊，你
Tax
可以記
Owners.
低啊，
And then if you can just go to
1779
irs.gov/small
嚇。
biz, it has
我
some great
哋
information.
IRS.gov 我哋嘅官
Individuals,
網
I
啦，個
encourage
裏邊你可以
everyone
睇下
to
小商業
basically
啦嚇。咁我
get
哋都有得
publication
多種語言
15.
嘅
It's
嗰
a
啲翻譯嘅
great
版本喺我
resource.
哋個
I
網站上
utilize it all the time.
可以見到㗎
I
嚇。
find it helpful. I think you will as well. Any questions?
好，今日即係我哋嘅
Thanks,
出版
Rena.
嘅嗰啲信息係
We
你
will
可以
go ahead
好
and
多
get
謝
to the
Rina
questions
嚇。
now.
咁我哋依家有啲人提出個問題，我就
There are some in the Q&A. So
咁啊係有
let's
啲
take
係
the business related ones first, and then
咁啊
maybe
睇
we'll
嗰
have
啲
time
商
to
業
answer
方面
the
嘅嚇。如
more
果係仲有時
interesting.
間嘅話咧，
So
咁啊就可以再睇
one of
個
the
人
questions
嘅。
is what happens if a restaurant does not pay any taxes for 3 years
咁
and
如果一個
is
餐
still
館冇
operating
3年冇俾
a
稅，
business?
但係仲喺度運作，咁啊係要發
Well,
生咩事咧？
that's a broad question because
呢
I
個
don't know
係
if
好
it's
廣個
employment
問題，
taxes
我唔知道
or
係
if
乜嘢
it's
稅咯，
income tax.
唔係收入
But let
稅
me
定
just
係
say
僱主
this.
稅？我可以咁
If
樣
in
講，
fact an
如果係事
individual or
實，
business
如
has
果
not
有一
paid their
個
taxes,
商業冇俾稅，
sometimes what happens, a
有時咧
restaurant, are they cash
唔
business?
知係咪
Because
現
two
金
things.
嘅
If
咧，
they're
或者
cash only,
如果佢係現金咧，
if they're cash only,
如果只係收
we
人，
should be filing our taxes first of all,
首
right?
先我哋全部啲人都要報
If
稅。
they have 1099s, if they
如
use a
果佢有
credit card
1099
machine,
咧，或者
that
佢用
information will
信
be
用卡咧，
forwarded to IRS because we receive information returns for credit card statements and things of that
因
nature.
為信用卡咧，或者
So
係
it could
1099
potentially
表格咧，都
open
係
up
俾我哋國稅局嚇。
where IRS will basically file
咁啊，IS 咧係可
returns
能
for
會
substitute for returns, or if they were responsible for employees by IRS doing our research, it could also initiate employment tax returns, and 6020Bs could be filed, meaning you didn't report the information to us, but IRS had a way of finding the
咁啊，你
information
係
and will file those returns.
即
to
係
us.
如啊，今日咧，我哋
One of the
國
things
稅
that
局咧
I
就
will
係會
say, the
睇下
whole
你係有
idea
幾多
of
稅嚇。餐館3年冇俾稅，
taxes or us even doing what we do is to
係呢個好
educate you
廣嘅問
to
題，都真係好難答。
voluntarily comply. And
咁我哋
that's
需要
the
你
key.
哋係
If something
自
wasn't done,
動
it's
嘅
never
遵
too
遵
late
守
to
呢個嚇。
correct it. So if there's some information that they have to file those returns, I would encourage them to file those returns. If I could be of any assistance and talk to them offline, then I'm more than happy to do that for them.
Thank you, Rena.
多謝
There
嚇。
was some questions about
仲有其他啲問題咧？
I have a business and I'm a vendor
我有
at
個
the
商業咧，
Chamber of Commerce and I got
我
a
仲係一
1099.
個，
I don't
我係
understand if I
1099
don't understand if I provided a service and registered it on my bookkeeping as a sale. Can I understand how this works?
So
其
when
實
you
我係
say
冇係好
1099,
聽明
basically,
佢個問題。
and you're a vendor for the Chamber of Commerce, is that what it said?
即係我係幫一個
Yeah,
商
it's a
會，
vendor
嗰個
for
商會
the
話
Chamber
我
of
咧
Commerce.
係一個
When you receive a 1099,
供
basically
應
it's the
商。
services that you provided
咁我嘅意
or
思即
there
係
was
話
a
咧，我提
generation
供
of something
服
that
務，
reflected some income.
或者
Did
係
you not
可
file
能
the
會有
1099?
啲收入，但係我哋係咪冇填嗰個1099
Did
咧
he？ not claim the income on his return?
Let's see if we can get.
Because I
Sorry, go ahead, Rena.
so basically it was like he received a 1099 from the Chamber of Commerce. He didn't report it on his return. He didn't report it.
即係佢係咪有收入但係冇申報咧？
If we can get Carla, I know you asked that question. Are you able to ask that question? I'm gonna unmute you. That way it'd be easier for us.
Thank
Carla
you.
係咪可以回答嗰個問題咧？
Hello, thank you.
Hi, you're welcome.
Thank you. I will do tomorrow
我
my
聽日咧，
taxes with my
我就會
accountant
報稅
and
嚇。
in the 1099 I received from the chamber
咁樣咧，
with
我
him,
就
but
係
I don't understand.
我就
Will
會
I get always a 1099 when I provide a service
就
to
每
a
一次我提
customer?
供服務咧，都係會收到一個1099。
Yeah, see, and you're a vendor, correct? So
咁啊，你係一個供應商係咪？
contractor.
咁啊，你就係一個獨立承包人。
What will happen is
咁啊，你會發生嘅
for
事就
their
係
account,
咧
you，have to understand when we're reporting, people are reporting W-2s, 1099s, it's
咁啊，
basically
嗰啲人啊1099嘅咧，就係佢話你係
answer your question.
獨立承包商嘅話，你就自己係有收入。
But what you have to also understand,
咁啊，你就有申報。 佢而家講得好快喎。 譬如講你提供服務嘅時候咧，你係都係有即係有你嘅即係嘅支出。今日咧，你係提供呢個服務嘅時候咧，可能咧。
So you're going to reduce that income. That income will be
即係話
offset
你
by
個
whatever that net is.
你個
I'm
支
just
出
using
就
that
抵
as
消
an
咗
example, but you would
你
carry
嘅
all of
利
your
潤啊
income,
嚇，
all of your expenses. It would be offset.
就等於係一個抵消。OK， Carla 就明白啦，
You're
我都唔
welcome.
係好明白，就係佢唔明白
I
點
did
解
have another question
仲有另一個問題。
a W8BEN certification of foreign status of beneficial owner for United.
嚇，
Yeah. You
呢個
know
好難喎。
much about that, Rena?
I do, but you know what? I'm gonna have that person
佢哋呢個問題咧，佢
send
就
me an email.
就用 email 或者打電話俾 Rina， 呢個太複雜啦。
Okay, yeah. That's a whole nother conversation.
OK， 呢個非常之同呢個係唔同㗎嚇，你要俾 Rina 一個電郵。
email.
Okay.
Yes, she's my virtual assistant.
Uh-huh.
And to be honest, I asked ChatGPT what should I do? What form should I file?
Okay.
咁我係問啊，嗰個人工智能我應該做乜嘢嚇？咁係呢個係人工智能講俾我聽㗎嚇。
Yeah, I don't know if that's
好，咁啊
the right
Rina
word
New
for
啊，
her.
大家係記得啦。如果你有問題嘅話，佢個名
If
叫
you
做
don't mind, I'll get
Rina
more details and I
Newell，
can have
電
a
話係
one-on-one with you
510-907-5101
and
Rina.Newell@ris.gov
and I
嚇
can。better assist you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Rena. There is a question on who can use the qualified business income deduction.
The QFI?
Qualified business income deduction is what it says on there.
Oh, let's see.
啱啱有一個問題，有人問
Right now,
邊個可以用客甲雙語收入扣除？